It's 5:13. I'm not really pressed about time, but we do have somewhere to be. You see how that just makes life better? Okay, let's get started into this get ready with me. We don't have much time for anything, but we're gonna try. First, I always start by moisturizing my face. We're gonna use Pond's today. I did try another moisturizer yesterday, but I always stick to Reliable. I also ordered some re-ups of my products from Sephora, but we'll see. So Austin is being the best boyfriend ever by waiting to take a shower until after I'm done. Also, I'm finna remove these towels in the back. It's just something about them in the back that just really bothers me. It's never the big towel, it's just always the small ones. Okay, so after moisturizer, it never matters where you're going, always put sunscreen on. This is Black Girl Skin sunscreen. I like this one. For me, I have combination skin, so I don't ever have like any issues with it. Where I'm going tonight, I truly don't know what this event is about. My friend Kayla just asked if I wanted to be her plus one, and of course I'm always going to tell her yes. Okay, I'm gonna load. We're gonna do step by step together actually, but I'm going to like kind of talk, kind of like actually maneuver life. So next, after doing both of those, you're always going to go in with the brow glue. This is from NYX. Only thing I use on my brows. And we're just gonna get these bad boys stuck into place. I also think I let a gnat in the house, and that is so unfortunate for time. Did I mention we don't know what we're wearing? Wow. The doors open at 6:30. The event starts at 7. Because of that, I was going to do press-on nails, but I'm just gonna rock the nudies and probably do press-ons tomorrow. I still don't know like what vibe of a press-on I'm going for. And although this lighting is cool, I still want to change the lighting in my bathroom because these lights are still kind of yellow, and I want white so that I don't have to do this above light thing. Also, let me make sure it's at the best of the best. Okay, so you set your eyebrows to perfection so that they are easier to do. I don't know what outfit I'm throwing on, so fingers crossed we figure something out quickly. For primer, I just ordered more Milk primer. I have not worn Milk in a minute, and I'm so ready to put it on my skin. Anyways, for right now, we're gonna do NYX the Marshmallow primer. It's this pink one. It also is really good. I have mentioned this before. I'm not sure if I mentioned it on YouTube, but this reminds me of a Too Faced primer in regards to consistency. I also had, I know I just did like a get ready with me, but I don't think I really talked. I kind of like did but didn't, and we're gonna actually talk a little bit. Okay, so right when I do the little brow part that I just did, I always put my primer on. That way it can just sit on my skin while I'm trying to perfect said brows. I don't know why it works, but it does. I also have these 2 bumps right here, and I'm not a fan. But we'll work through that. Let's see. Any of these clips up, whoever requested to get ready with me out of the community chat, I appreciate you, because that means somebody wants to watch me or kind of hear me talk. Do y'all like when we talk? It's also hot in this bathroom. Okay, let's operate with that. There's no special technique to using a pomade, but I cannot do my brows and multitask, so we're going to do a quick montage for the brows starting now.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. SpongeBob, careful. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
I know the other get ready with me I did was either before the New Year, and a lot has changed. A lot has changed. I also think this SD card is about to tell me I need to format it, and that's going to really grind my gears. Really want to not focus too much on this. Also, it doesn't take me that long to do makeup. I think what I'm more worried about in the sense of like a rush is I don't know what I'm wearing, and that's honestly worse than rushing your makeup to me. As of lately, I have been carving my brows with just a foundation brush, but it's flat, and the flatness just really adds to the success here. So I'm going to kind of carve like this, and it should, yeah, that should be enough. In regards to looks, because I don't know what I'm wearing, I'm going to do a very, and when I say very, I mean very natural eye look. As of lately, I've been doing like natural on my eye, like a natural shade, and then I'll just do a pop of color in my inner corner. And the other day I did it and I didn't know what I was wearing, and I just based the pop of color, I based what I was wearing off of the pop of color that I just chose to put in my eye. And I just use a brown that is close to my skin to give like that natural eyeshadow color, and it works for the most part. So put that all on your lid. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's really just a neutral color to be successful. Okay, the other day I did blue. Today, I don't know if I should play it safe because I don't know what I'm wearing, or just trust it. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Zulu palette, and we have like 3 different shimmers in here. I don't know, I think I'm gonna play it safe and do this pink one right here, because it's like kind of shimmery. But I also have this other pink one in the Saharan blush palette. I think I'm gonna do this one. Foundation, NARS is always my go-to. I will never steer away from it, honestly. Always put your foundation in the center of your face and then just spread it out so that you're not overusing products. Simple foundation brush. Goal this year is to go to just events, whether that be art exhibits, any type of event that just seems of interest. I really want to find other outlets that interest me. If you do know, I'm in marketing and I have my own marketing agency, and marketing or graphic design was always a hobby first, but then it became a business. So now I want to actually find a hobby that doesn't need to be financial gain. I keep telling Austin that I'm gonna take archery, and he doesn't believe me, but I do think that that might be my next adventure. And then we're gonna do blush. Lately I've been really loving Dolce Vita by NARS, and I recently tried it by itself, and now I'm a pink blush girl. Lovely. Okay, blush first and then concealer, and then go over it with a blush powder. I also have changed the placement of my blush since my last video. And I find that this placement actually suits me so much better. Don't know what I was doing before, but that's why makeup is fun to test. Good as consistency, but I use a wand, the NARS wand. One, because I'm almost out of this concealer. So it kind of like mixes them without mixing them. And then I'm gonna let this sit. Now that I have my foundation on, I'm still going to wait just a second before adding that pop of color in my corner. And you'll see why in a second. Flatten it like so. Some people let their concealer sit longer. In this case, we have to go. I'm also very hungry. So, do like this. Powder on it. And then you take a puff, or this is what I've been doing. I truly don't know if this is what I should be doing, but I just kind of like let those ashes, let the corners like be really seamless with the blend before I put powder on. Just dap it and then put it under. Just get a lot of that excess off. Like that. And then I've lately been cleaning my blush up under here. Like that. It's been my obsession lately, this brush for just setting your foundation with powder. I got this from the dollar store. It's from a brand called Studio Selections. It is the perfect fluffy brush, and it doesn't cost much of anything. While we're letting this bake temporarily, I go back in with the Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I'm going to use the shade Lena and can't pronounce, I think it's Ta, and I do both of them. And it just really enhances that blush, because you can never have too much blush. And then I only do Lena on my nose to give like a really pink blushed nose. All right, we're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty Beijing Gal. What is this? This is really warmth bronzer, but I got it in my shade to do like the full face powder. But I just ordered real face powder from Sephora, so I'll keep y'all updated on if I like that. Inner corner with that pink. Hopefully find an outfit that goes with this, because I don't have much pink. But I really wanted to do like a girly type of inner corner today. Normally the blue is really pretty, but I also don't have much blue, so I wouldn't have had anything to do it with. And it's just like a really nice inner corner pop. And then I come back with a blending brush and kind of just blend the shimmer over like my eyelid like that. Because I need to find some lashes, or I might just do mascara. Not really sure, because my lashes I think are in a purse. So yeah, I'm gonna come back with the finished look. I'm gonna let Austin take his shower, and then I'll show y'all what I wore before I head out, and then we'll like do hair and stuff, and then I have to go. So this was a quick face. It's literally my everyday face. Not too different. I'm obsessed with blush, so we're adding some more just because I like how it looks. And then setting with one size. Okay. All right, I'll see y'all when we pick. Okay, so I think I found an outfit option. I've been trying to be really intentional with being colorful, so I got my go-to favorite orange leather pants, and then I found this pink colorful top. I'm truly not sure what I bought this to go with, but I think it's perfect color combo. So I'm gonna put it on and then put lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first shirt I had, wasn't a vibe, but I did a similar vibe with a different thing, and I'll show y'all when I get into my room for real. But I basically turned a dress into a shirt, and I'm actually not mad at it. I do wish I could pull these straps down, but I literally can't. So we're just going to do what we can with that. We're gonna do what we can. I'm about to put a few curls in my hair, and I'm about to change my earrings. I also think I'm gonna just do mascara, no lashes for this, and I might rewear this outfit in the future and get pictures. But I thought it was perfect for we're gonna do like a little bump to my hair. It's not too bad. I just like to bump my, they're not really bangs, but I like to bump the bangs of my hair. I just really like doing that part. It's literally, it's you grab a wide tooth comb, and I literally just pull it back and bring it back to the front of my hair. I just really like this look. I'm also hoping this strap is not that distracting, and I'm hoping my hair kind of like covers. Shoes, there is a hint of blue in this dress, so I have some blue heels. But I also have my Crocs, which are platformed, my sandal Crocs that I might feel more comfortable wearing with this. I might do that. Okay, I think I've decided I'm gonna just take y'all into the guest bathroom and show you really quick because I have to go. But this is what I was talking about in regards to shirts, dress type of thing. Yeah, this might be the best location, but this is that. We got purple. I'm really mad that I wasn't able to do press-ons really quickly, but it's not about me. It's literally not about me. Ebony gave me this scent to try by Amber B. I'm about to try it out. So my go-to scent is Jo Malone, mimosa and cardamom, and yes, and I'm gonna layer this scent. Nice sample. I need to invest in more watches. Oh shit. All I'm doing is putting my James Avery bracelet on just to have something on my arm, and I need to, I got that on. Bless you. Oh. But yeah, this was very chaotic. I'm about to go. Get to hit that subscribe button because I want you to be a part of the family. Duh. Thank you for getting ready with me. I love you. Bye.